Hi, everyone. I'm Justin, co-founder and CTO of Althea. In 2017, Althea combined mesh networking with blockchain micropayments to revolutionize the way internet service is bought and sold, creating a decentralized bandwidth marketplace and pulling the cooperative core of the internet into your home. Since then, the Althea community has worked tirelessly to stabilize and deploy Althea in the real world. Right now, we have several hundred homes and businesses that depend on Althea as their internet service provider. This is crazy. This is revolutionary because we have normal people like the local subway buying bandwidth over a decentralized mesh network in DAI. Students going to Zoom classes, nurses providing telehealth visits. These are normal people who are using blockchain at scale. Currently, we account for 70% of all microtransaction traffic on the XDAI blockchain over the past year. That's crazy, and we're just getting started. Because decentralization provides incredible benefits for network design. Althea can go places other ISPs can't, do things that other ISPs can't do, and provide a cost and quality of service that is unmatched. Because by allowing regular people to participate in Althea's bandwidth market automatically, as their home router selects the best and cheapest connection dynamically, we can build more efficient infrastructure. And we are just getting started. This year, Althea has two major goals. One is to expand our core business from fixed wireless home internet into cell phone and fiber service. Imagine for a moment if, when you stepped off of the plane in a new country, your phone simply connected to the nearest cell tower and started buying bandwidth as a commodity instantly. No need to fiddle with middlemen like cell carriers or anything like that. This is what Althea home users experience today. Their devices simply purchase bandwidth from the best source automatically. And this is what we're going to bring to your pocket. Even more than that, to dovetail with Althea's decentralized nature, we will be using Althea fiber nodes as microcells to create the world's first microcell-based decentralized carrier, providing better service because the tower is closer, and faster service, once again, because the tower is closer. So this is a really big revolution in how we're pushing forward our business model and in what we're doing with Althea Internet Service. Now, the second thing we're doing is that we are moving to our own blockchain. Particularly, the Althea blockchain is going to be a stable platform for telecom microtransactions because we are the platform for microtransactions at scale. We already have hundreds of users, and we need something that can perform with thousands of users, tens of thousands of users, millions of users. So we need to create our own platform, and we're moving all of our traffic with us. But the real potential of the Althea blockchain is long-term and has to do with the larger blockchain ecosystem. Because more than just internet service, the Althea blockchain will be the platform where regular people hold cryptocurrency. Consider this. Every Althea router is already an automated DeFi platform and a hardware wallet. Users have Althea routers in their home, they have DAI on this router, and they are already interacting with the Althea bandwidth marketplace. And using bridges like IBC, they will be able to interact with the larger, using bridges like IBC, Althea users will be able to interact with the larger blockchain ecosystem. And this is where normal people will hold cryptocurrency. In the same way that Althea is bringing internet to places where it could not go before using decentralization, we are bringing decentralized currency and blockchain applications to people who would otherwise never have interacted with them. So now we're going to go to our CEO and my co-founder, Deborah, in the field at an Althea network, and she'll tell you a little bit about how it's constructed.
Hey y'all, this is Deborah St-Pierre. I am the CEO and co-founder of Althea Network, and I'm here coming to you live from Warner Valley here in Southeast Oregon. This is one of the mini networks that we built this year, proving out that model that Althea networks can be built faster and more affordably than legacy telco models, you know, beyond just what we have written in the white paper, and even into the most remote areas, which I'll hear a view of what we're looking at here. So sort of beyond these trees actually is one of the major relays here in this area, and a relay is someone who's hosting an antenna and earning revenue for being part of the infrastructure of the network. And they're actually connected back over here to kind of an off-grid, way out in the mist though, you'll see that sort of connecting mountain. There is an Althea router and a connecting relay antenna way up there that then connects about another 10 miles to the center of the nearby town, and where the fiber is coming in. And these folks here are getting faster, you know, more affordable internet and earning revenue for being part of the infrastructure of the network as well. As you can see, we have our little local relay over here, right? that actually is providing internet for these folks down here, which is the Airbnb. I'm staying out here in Southeast Oregon. So even here, one of the most remote places, we can build networks that provide faster, more affordable internet for everyone.
Yeah, so we have a really wonderful team. We're doing great things. And, you know, Deborah is out there. We're all out there working really hard to build networks and make our decentralized vision of internet service a reality, and bring blockchain out to the people who really need it, to people that it can help, and people to whom it can provide better service, because decentralization is just a fundamentally superior way to build an internet service provider. Now, please reach out to us, follow our Twitter account where we have lots of wonderful pictures of constructing networks, join our Discord and talk to us, and you know, reach out via email if you want to learn more about Althea.
Wow.
Hey, Tariq.
Hey, okay. Did you just take us to Oregon in your presentation? Oh my God. All right. I think, okay, fine. I think you guys just crushed it. All right. One question I want to ask is, am I getting this right? You're both the ISP and the money and the payment rails, and like you're the entire stack for this type of communications. Is that what I'm understanding what you're doing here?
Yes, we're also the IoT device.
And you're the
so we make our own operating system from the ground up, which is all well, I mean, we make a distribution of OpenWRT. We put that on routers. That's the hardware wallet. It's also a DeFi device for the bandwidth marketplace.
Wow.
You know, it also has built-in interactions with the rest of the blockchain ecosystem that we hope to expand. So we are sort of a combined ISP, device manufacturer, blockchain, and, you know, ecosystem as a whole.
It's amazing. And this can go global. This is not just for Oregon, but this can be anywhere.
Yes, the Althea. So the revolutionary thing about Althea's pay-per-forward bandwidth protocol, go to althea.net. You can see my YouTube talk about it at the North American Network Operators Meetup. Those are the people that run the internet, at least in North America, by the way. And it is scalable to the entire internet. And that is what is really revolutionary about pay-per-forward.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Congratulations. A beautiful presentation. And I'm sure we will connect with you guys in the Telegram. Thank you. Congrats, Althea.